How to use Discord on desktop. To help you get started with the desktop version of Discord, what you could do is simply open your browser on your device and go ahead and type in discord.com. It's going to take you to their official page where you simply go ahead and select the login button. Since I've already logged in, so I'm just going to quickly log out of my account. So then, when you type in discord.com, this is going to take you to their official page. If you have Discord already logged into your device, you could also log in with your QR code by scanning it. Otherwise, you could go ahead and enter in your email and a phone number as well as your password associated with your account and simply log into your account. And if you don't have a Discord account or you're new to Discord, you could select register and create your account as well. Now, to log in, simply want to make sure to go ahead and type in your credentials. That could be your phone number, email, and select the login button. As soon as you do this verification, if you've enabled, you have to enter in a verification code. Or if you've enabled any sort of protection level or two-step verification, you might have to go ahead and bypass that. And this way, you'll be able to log into your desktop or into your Discord account. So that's how things work. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.